Little small bow. So many more bows than there used to be. Not shabby. I think this might be the same male that I caught not that long ago. See you next time. There you go. Wasn't sure I had one. Just subtly took that. It's pretty. Come here, big boy. Ooh, look at that jaw. Get my hands wet. Pretty, super pretty fish. All right. See you next time. Didn't know I didn't have the camera going. This guy was eating bugs off the top and I kept throwing to him and he finally got aggravated enough to take it. This is a drop off right here. There we go. Good chunk. He's over 20 for sure. Nice. Feels good to get one over 20. I've been hitting like 18, 19 for a while. Thanks, guy. Cool. Glad I stopped in this spot. Sucks I didn't get on camera. Oh well. That's probably my last fish of the day before it gets dark. Hey, thanks for hanging out. It's a good way to end it. See you next time.